The first solo in Sweet Home Alabama. You're going to take your ring finger and put it on the 15th fret of the little E string, and you're going to pick it and bend it at the same time. And then you're going to bring it back down and play the 15 regularly. And then you're going to put your middle finger on the 14th fret of the E string. And then the ring finger goes to the 15th fret of the B string. And then the middle finger goes to the 14th fret of the G string. And then you bring your ring finger back on the B string of the 15th fret. So that sounds like this. Then you're going to play 2 times on the 15th fret of the B string, and then the middle finger comes to the 14th fret of the G, and then the first finger to the 13th fret of the B. And then your ring finger is going to come to the 15th fret of the G string, and then the 14th fret, and then the 12th fret. So all of that together is and then you're going to put your ring finger on the 14th fret of the G string, and then your middle finger on the 14th fret of the D string. And then you're going to go back to the 12th fret on the G string. So all of that together is and then you've got another 12 on the G string, 14 on the G, and then cross your middle finger over to grab the 14 on the D, coming back to the first finger on the G. That's what that sounds like. So all together we have and then you're going to bend the 14th fret of the G with your ring finger and stop it with the pick on your right hand. So you're going to take your first finger and you're going to slide it from the 12th to the 14th fret on the D string, and then you've got 12 on the G, and then 14 on the G, back to 12 on the G, and then you're going to bend the 14 on the G. So that little part is, and then you've got back on the D string 2 14s, and then 2 12s, 13, 14, all on the G, D string, and then 12 on the G, 14 on the G, 14 on the D, back to 12 on the G. So all together we have so far then you've got to bend up and back on the 14th fret of the G string, and then 2 12s, and then 14 on the D string, and then you're going to slide up and back on the from 12 to 14 on the D string with your first finger, and then 14 on that D string, and then you've got sliding down to the 9th fret on the D, and you're doing an up and back bend, and then you've got the 10th fret on the A, and then the 10th fret sliding down to 9 back to 10 on the big E. So everything all together sounds like this. Let's do that a little bit slower. That's everything for that first solo.